everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, happy new year to all of you who are watching this video, and I know it's a little bit too late and it's past January to wish happy new year to all of you. But this is my first video on YouTube in 2022, so that's why I'm wishing happy new year. And I hope your year has gone great till now, and I hope it will go great the whole year long. So as you read by the title, today we're going to be doing another zodiac sign makeup look, which is for the zodiac sign Aquarius. And here is the color palette for the Aquarius zodiac sign. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And as you can see my face, I've already done my base, and we're going to be straight starting with the eye makeup. So let's get started. back and this is the final look. So I have put blue eyeliner so that the look comes together and it looks a bit nicer. Honestly, I didn't like this look as much because I did it with darker colors. If I would have done it with lighter colors, it would have come even more nice, I feel. So, and the lipstick which I've worn is nude color so that the eyes pop up more than the lips. So this is the final look, and I'll attach the pictures in the next. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the Aquarius makeup look. So now there are only 4 more looks left for this series to end, and let me know in the comments what type of makeup you want after the series. And also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.